Hello everyone. So in this video, mag-solve tayo ng isang trigonometry problem. Alright? Okay, we have two buildings with flat roofs are 60 meters apart. From the roof of the shorter building, which is 40 meters in height, the angle of elevation to the edge of the roof of the taller building is double now, is 40 degrees. Okay, how high is the taller building? Okay, so let us illustrate first the problem. Okay, so meron tayong two buildings na. So, it is already stated na yung ating buildings 'no, have different, heights na. Okay, so let's say andito guys yung smaller building, ayan. So, same horizontal, same level ground 'no. Then this is the, taller building, alright. Okay, so the smaller building is okay, meron tayong 40 meters na height. And the distance between the two is okay, 60 meters. All right. Now, from the roof daw of the shorter building, so galing dito, the angle of elevation, pag sinabing angle of elevation, yung ating line of sight is above the horizontal line. So, ito yung horizontal line mo. Okay? Yan. To the edge of the roof. So, ito yon. Okay, of the taller building. Okay, so draw tayo ng line. Okay, from the top of the um, uh, shorter building to the top of the taller building. So this one, ito yung angle of elevation natin na 40 degrees. Okay, pinapahanap yung height ng taller building. So ito yun. Yan. So basically, okay, yung height ng building, pag project mo to, is dalawang component lang. Okay, this one, let's say that is x, and this one. Okay, so project mo lang yung 40. So this is 40. Okay, so that means yung height ng ating building, let's say h, is the sum of x and 40. Okay. So you just have to solve only for x na para ma-solve yung height ng building, 'di ba? And itong 60 i-project mo rin siya. So using this triangle, okay, puwede mong ma-solve yung x. Okay, kasi this one is 60, 'di ba? Okay. So with respect to this angle, meron tayong opposite and adjacent. Alright? So that means na, okay, yung tangent ng angle natin, okay, x, 40 degrees is equal to opposite is x, then adjacent is 60. So meaning our x is 60, okay, tangent of 40 degrees. So therefore, the height of the building, which is x plus 40, is equal to 60, okay, tangent of 40 degrees plus, okay, 40 meters. Right? So ano yung ating h dyan? Calculator na lang yan. 60, pa natin, 60 and 40, alright, plus 40. Yan, so 90.35, okay, meters. So 90.35 is approximately no 90 meters. Okay, so you will choose letter A. Okay, so yun lang guys, no. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.